Welcome back to the kitchen for another masterclass. It is a great honor to have Wynand van Rooyen, the winner of the 2011 Sunday Times Chef of the Year. Welcome to the Espresso Kitchen, my friend.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me, guys.
Now, what we do is give you some very, very useful tips on how to do something the best way. And today we are tackling tempura batter. That is going to be our lesson. Take me through it, my friend. Where do we start?
Tempura batter, for me, the most important thing is the flours. Mostly rice flour, and then just top it up with some corn flour and some normal plain flour. Season it with salt only. You need to keep the batter nice and light. And then ice cold water is very important. So ice cold sparkling water. You can add ice and water, and then lots of salt into the water, which makes the water colder quicker to cool down your sparkling water. So what it is your rice flour.
Okay, I noticed the rice flour is like pristine white compared to the others.
Very, very white, and that also makes the batter very light. And then some corn flour also helps for the lightness. And then the flour, just to make it a nice crispy dough consistency.
With a bit of backbone.
Season a little bit of salt. Only, no pepper, just to keep it nice and white. Quite a bit of salt, and then your sparkling water. So if you can just pour that over for me while I whisk it. And then you want it like a pancake batter. So you whisk it until it's like a pancake batter. This recipe that I'm doing now is 200 ml, so it's about half of that's fine. It's about half of that bottle, or you can add a little bit more. It's perfect.
Now, is this one of your specialities, tempura?
Well, I love tempura because you can do so much with it. You can do tempura chicken, tempura veg, tempura actually anything. And I'm not actually an Asian fan, except tempura batter. So yeah, that is it. If it rests, it's gonna get a bit thicker, but that is actually perfect.
Okay, obviously you need it to hold up when you put it into the...
Yes, we're gonna dip our prawns into seasoned flour and then dip it straight into here. What I suggest you to do is keep this batter as cold as possible, so make it last second before you tempura your prawns. So this is the last thing you do before you tempura anything. Okay,
so this is a fast meal. This is something that you want to have
very
well
quick.
prepped before you make it.
Yeah, that is it. Simple, fast, and amazing.
Well, the amazing part comes in when we add prawns to the mixture. The great tragedy, I'm allergic to prawns, but I understand Wynand is as well. So the two of us are going to have to pick some very lucky crew members to taste our tempura prawns. You do not want to miss it. You're going to get the masterclass in making a tempura prawn, and we'll send that recipe right to you. Stick around.